So, good morning. We are at the Wong Shek Pier. We are going to Wong Ma Chau Island today. The weather is not that good, but it's not raining, and that's the most important. No rain, a bit cloudy, a bit windy, but I will be fine. So now let's go to Wong Ma Chau. We finally arrived on Wong Ma Chau. No, this is not Wong Ma Chau. The weather is too bad. That's why we arrived on Port Island. We have a couple of hours, like 6 hours here on Port Island, and we will try to explore it. So this is Port Island. Here you can find a lot of red rocks. Now we try to get some food. I better focus the road. It's so cold in the water and she cannot swim. We are going to the cave over there now, so we have to swim. It's a bit wavy here, but should be fine.
forget, but I don't think I can do that yet. I give it time, I think things over, but this shouldn't hurt a spot in my head. All I do is lay in bed awake at night, dreaming of the things that I could say. It's too late. Why do I feel like I should have known by now? 'Cause everyone is just pretending to know, so I'm finding out as I go. Signs in my chest, but I didn't hear the sirens ahead. Yeah, I'm alive, I'm still breathing, even though they tried to leave me for dead.
So I'm here on the top of Port Island. Here's a way going down to the cave. It's a bit steep here, but let's try it out. We found them down at the cave. So here we finish also that part after coasteering, swimming, and now exploring the cave here. We are going back. It's getting sunny here, so need to be careful.